I decided not to present the concept of science to zero during this presentation. However, I cannot escape totally from this concept as long as the conference is titled Forensic Science to Zero. But only three short remarks. What is forensic science to zero? In my opinion, communication is essence in this concept. As long as scientists cannot, or scientific research should be confronted with the wider range of stakeholders, not only scientists, but other stakeholders. So communication is, as I said, essence of science to zero. Second thing of science to zero is that scientists are more perceived as a living persons, not only as authors hidden behind the title of the presentation or title of the article. And third, the most important thing for me is that the science to zero is anchored in real life more than the other concept, which means that techniques of visualization should use patterns from real life because they must be easily understood. So, having this in mind, I started to search internet for some kind of inspiration for this conference. And I found this. This is very, as you can see, very Dutch-oriented product, and probably everyone knows what is Dutch oven. If not, you can ask our Dutch colleagues or search the internet. The Dutch oven, I use this pattern to explain the concept of EAFS. And let me start to do this from the scratch. First, what we have, this is ring of stones, the fire ring. This is, of course, our EAFS membership, and to be honest, the biggest one is probably NFI. These wooden logs are our EAFS working groups. This is EAFS driving force, EAFS engine. So we have working groups here. EAFS flag policies, like these three standing sticks, standing poles. These are EAFS standing committees. We have Quality and Competence Committee. We have Research and Development Committee. And we have also Education and Training Committee, the brand new one. The concept of the committees must be linked to the rest of EAFS, to EAFS members and to EAFS working groups. So we have liaison groups. These groups are groups of people from EAFS membership or EAFS working groups. They work together with our standing committees. And they work through the spot, through all range of EAFS activities. This is more or less EAFS. We have also two important bodies, which is, this one is EAFS Secretariat, and this poker is EAFS board. And now the picture is more or less complete. Let me put this cover in this place, and this is EAFS. You can see EAFS in one picture using pattern from real life. But it was very static. Let's put some dynamism here. So we can start to cook. Of course, you can regulate the pace of cooking with the board. You can motivate working groups to hard work. And you can also put the cover to make this cooking faster. But the taste is still not good enough. So we can put some ingredients. On the left, you can see input from our stakeholders, some good advice from stakeholders, associated members of our working groups. On this part, you can see spices, let's call them advice from academics. And when it smells really good, you can think about the party. So you can invite the people to European Academy of Forensic Science. So what we can call European Academy of Forensic Science is the big ladle. And now the picture is complete. So, message from the chairman is, dear NFC family, relatives, and friends, please enjoy the conference, taste this forensic soup. I can guarantee you it is easy to swallow, not too hot, not too cold. Celebrate. Thank you very much.